Hey, how's it going? I'm going to rapidly run you through changing out the washers on the Shimano Aerlex 10,000 reel. Very simple process for replacing the standard nylon, standard felt washers with the ice washers commonly found online, which helps smooth out the clutch significantly. Let's get cracking. So aside from your reel, there's a few bits you'll need. Some lighter fluid. This dissolves the grease off the washers. A little pop to part it in. That's a little penny stove a friend of mine made. Some cotton balls for washing or wiping the grease away with. A piece of paper or a tray just to put your washers onto so that you don't lose them. And you also got a little metal stick just to get your washers out. I forgot to film taking it apart. My apologies. But starting off with cleaning off the grease there. The carbon fibre washers, they don't need the grease on them. I'm told it degrades the quality of them more quickly. So we're going to rinse the grease off the washers themselves there. Like I say, dip your cotton bud into your lighter fluid. Nice circular motion there, just helps lift that off. If you don't have lighter fluid, alternatives are available. Like white spirit, for instance. Lighter fluid tends to come recommended because it doesn't leave a residue. You do have to leave it out to dry for a minute. Continue on through each of your washers. The Aerlex 10,000 has got 3 in there as standard, and you get a set of 3 when you order offline. So as I say, clean each 3. This is why we do it outside, because this stuff is horrifically flammable, obviously being lighter fluid, and the cotton bud acts like a wick, and obviously, as you can see, it gives off quite a lot of fumes there, so make sure you do this somewhere outside, well ventilated. Any spills, obviously, they're going to soak into anything, make it flammable, so I say, do be careful with that. Anyway, right, like I say, those have had a chance to dry off. This is a nifty little package that the washers come in. Nice little cardboard sleeve straight through the letterbox. There we go, line them out. Then we're going to drop them in washer, metal, washer, metal, washer, metal. Just like so. Now the hole there for your for your pin off your reel there, you're going to want to line those up to make it a little bit easier for yourself later on. Make sure you get that one back in the right way there, see that butts into the cap. And then pop it back together once you've got your spring in. This one's a little bit fiddly to get in there, got slightly awkward fingers. It's no more fiddly than tying up a knot though, if anything it's a little bit easier. A little push, in it goes, just like that. And stick that back onto your reel, put your cap on. Now, that's done up tight, that reel, it's not moving anywhere. As you can see, 2/3 of a turn, you're off to fighting strength. There we go, nice and easy. Alright, great, thanks for watching. I'll see you again sometime.